Students, continuing the same topic of the significant figures, now I am telling you the one more rule, that is, by changing the units, the significant figures never change. For example, there is 1.5 meter, it's equal to 150 centimeter, but in 1.5 meter there are two significant figures, and in 150 centimeter there are also two significant figures because the 0 is the trailing 0 and that is not significant. And similarly, if the 2.0 kilometer has two significant figures, and if we write it 2000 meter, no, it's not correct, because in that case there are four significant figures. So we can write 2.0 into 2.0 into 10 to power 2.0 kilometer is equal to 2.0 into 10 to power 3 meter. This is having two significant figures. Mathematically it's right, but according to significant figures, 2.0 kilometer is equal to 2.0 into 10 to power 3 meter. And now there are certain rules for rounding off. Rounding off आप करते आए हैं junior classes से भी, but there are certain rules. For example, we have to round off to two significant figures to every value. Let's take example. First of all, 3.72. We have to round off to the two significant figures. Means हमने इस 2 को means जो है 2 को रिमूव करना है. तो 3.72 को हम 3.7 लिख सकते हैं. That you all know, because this last digit 2 is less than 5, so we can leave it. But if there is value 3.76 and again we have to round off to the two significant figures, it will be 3.8. That you already know. But if 3.752 we have to round off to the two significant figures, means we have to remove these two digits, and this digit is 5. But after 5 there is non-zero digit, then we will add 1 to this number, so it will be 3.8. Means the 3.752 can be written as 3.8. But if the value is 3.653, again it will be 3.7. But if the value is 3.750, now after 5 there is 0. Now there are different rules. Students, take care that 3.750 में ये 7 जो है that is odd. Odd है तो it will be means raised by 1. It will become 3.8. But if there is 3.650, we have to round off to the two significant figures. So after 5 there is 0 and we have to remove it. So it will remain as 3.6 because 6 is even. And these are the rules for rounding off. Now students, how will we do addition and subtraction including the significant figures? In addition and subtraction, there is a rule that in result there must be the same number of decimal places as present in the value with the least decimal place. It will be more clear with the example. Suppose 2.24 plus 0.3. We have to add this number. That you know that its result will be 2.54. Nothing new here. But now 2.24 or 0.3 में 0.3 has one decimal place. So our result should also have the one decimal place. It means 2.54 we have to round off to the one decimal place. Means we have to remove 4. 4 को अगर remove करना है and 2.5 तो that it will become 2.5. Let's take another example that these are the three values 0.331 plus 1.42 plus 0.03. After addition it becomes 1.781. But in result, in first value there are three significant figures 2 and here again 2. It means according to rule our result should also have the two significant figures. Two decimal places. 1.781 को हमें राउंड ऑफ करना है अप टू 2 decimal places, तो it will become 1.78. मीन्स 1 को हमें रिमूव करना है. and another value if 1.4 plus 0.00132, its value will be 1.40132. So it will become 1 point in first measurement there is the decimal place only up to 1 decimal place, and this is hence answer should also have the 1 decimal place and it becomes 1.4. Now there are certain rules for the multiplication and divisions. The rules are different here, that in result there must be as many as the significant figures as there are the minimum significant figures in the measured values. For example, we have to multiply 2.1 into 2.1. The result will be 4.41. But in that case, in the measurements, both are having the two significant figures. So our result should also have the 2 significant figures. Means it will become, after rounding off, it will become 4.4. Let's take another example. If there is 142.06 into 0.23 and that is equal to 32.6728. So it means in the result there are, that is in that the 2 significant figures, these are the minimum, and the result will also have the 2 significant figures, and we have to round off to the 2 significant figures, and that's why it is equal to 33. Now let's take another example of the division, that is 0.30 divided by 4.26. Its result will be 0.211260. But in both the measurements, this quantity is having less significant figures and 2 significant figures. That's why our result should also have the 2 significant figures, and after rounding off it will become 0.21. So these are the rules for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now students, I am giving you the assignment and you do the sum. If there is any problem, then you can call me and you take your problems. Thank you.